Lady Code, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a fashion video, so I'm coming to you from my closet, and I'm really excited to share with you my little fashion hack slash secret on how I get instant boobs. Like, most of us girls have probably thought about getting a boob job at some point in your life. It's something that a lot of girls do want, and I'm guilty of considering getting my boobs done as well, but there's so much risk associated with it and it's a little bit pricey for me. So instead of getting my boobs done, I have this instant secret on an instant boob job. So if you have been with Lady Code for a while, you probably already know this, but I am a huge fan of UpBra, and their strapless bra has literally been my favorite forever. Like, I wear it in most of my pictures, I wear it to all of my events, and it literally is an instant boob job. It's strapless, that just stays up. As you can tell, I am wearing one of the UpBras right now. It's the strapless one, and it just like stays up no matter what. I can be moving, I can be working out, I can be doing photo shoots, you know, hugging people, walking around in heels, carrying a lot of stuff, and it always stays up. So I love that, but it gets even better. So I'm gonna go through exactly how to use your UpBra, how it works, and how the benefits can actually work well for you. So when I was talking to UpBra about collaborating on this video, I was like, look, like I could totally just like show you the strapless one that I've been using, but it is so worn, like especially at the edges, because I wear it so much, I wash it so much. It still works perfectly fine, but just for showing you guys for like, you know, YouTube purposes, I wanted to get a brand new one to show off. So this is the packaging that you would get if you ordered your UpBra. And my favorite one is the black strapless one. It comes in black and nude. There's also a lot of swim options, and they do have a t-shirt bra, which is a more comfortable fit, and it does have straps. The strapless is my favorite because there's 32 different ways that you can put the straps on. You can wear them so many different ways, and obviously it works perfectly fine strapless. I've never used the straps personally because I haven't found the need to put them on. But if you have like a one shoulder dress, or if you have like a crossback or a halter, you know, you can just like figure it out with the straps. But again, I have never had to use them because it just stays up no matter what. And if you're like me, this is really weird. I'm like a 30 double D, so I'm kind of skinny around here, but I do have boobs to work with. They're kind of saggy. That's why I really like to enjoy that lift that the UpBra gives me. But they do give you extra straps so that you can attach this onto your UpBra if you need to adjust like the actual band of the bra. So I think that's amazing as well. So moving on to the actual bra, this structure is amazing. It's literally made so well. The quality is amazing. Like, mine is still perfectly functional. It's been over a year since I've been wearing this bra, and it's still exactly what I use. I was wearing it at Fashion Week. I wore it to my event yesterday if you saw my story. I really can't live without this thing. So let me give you a close-up of the UpBra and exactly how it works. So if you look at the cups of the UpBra, it is like all padding, which is actually amazing. It pushes everything that you have all the way up. And on the inside of the bra, there's these hooks, so you can pull these off and adjust your cleavage how you want to, just by tugging on this band, and you can attach it to adjust your cleavage. So if you want a lot of cleavage, you can wear it like that. I usually wear it on around the 4th hook because that gives me the perfect amount of cleavage for me, but it's perfectly customizable, so you can wear it to whatever shape you want. Okay, so something that I see all the time working in the beauty pageant industry, being a swimsuit designer, being a makeup artist, I do end up being like a wardrobe girl too when I'm working behind the scenes. A lot of women have uneven breast sizes. It's completely normal. I would say most women do have one that's smaller than the other, and that's another reason why UpBra is amazing, is because you can actually adjust your cup size to push one up higher than the other so that everything just evens out and looks perfectly balanced. Also, this may sound insane, but I work out a lot. I've kind of been slacking at the gym, but you can actually wear these to work out because it gives you perfect support. My boobs don't go anywhere, they stay in place, and you look a lot better working out than you would wearing a regular sports bra. So one last thing before I go, I am going to show you guys a side-by-side of what happens when I take off this UpBra. You're gonna see like what a world of a difference it makes. Alright, so I'll go ahead and link everything down below for everything you need to know about UpBra. Again, I love this brand. I've been wearing them for a little bit over a year now, and I totally recommend them. They're super Lady Code approved. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.